lightweight, lightweight, lightweight. There we go. Alright, so you're gonna lunge back. Make sure you're lunging far back. Then you're gonna bring it in, but your knee is still bent. And then you're gonna lunge again. Then you're gonna bring it back in and you can stand up. Okay? So a little faster. 1, 1, 9, position. Your palms are facing me. You're gonna go down. You're gonna do bicep curl, and you're gonna get up. Down, bicep curl, up, squeeze your glutes, down, curl, squeeze, down. Okay, squeeze. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Did you see that? I hope you saw that. Let's strive for, I'm always gonna strive for 20, but again, you do you, I do me. We're doing it together. Okay? Woo, here we go.
I'm going on during this time. I feel there's no one to save us.